bitch, I'm back at it. Post a thirst trap, bitch, your nigga double tap it. Got that comeback, gotta turn him to an addict. Round up applause when that ass get the clapping. Booty so big, he wanna throw a stack on it.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I wanted to give y'all 5 tips on like leveling up and things that I feel like applied for me and that I saw growth in and that I could give you. So the first one is to learn to be selfish about you. Learn to put yourself first. Don't feel bad for thinking of you first. Learn how to make sure you're the person that's being taken care of in situations, because I had to learn that you don't dumb down yourself for anyone. Don't accept less of people just to have people in your life. You don't do that type of stuff, because it changes you. It can change you when you're not making sure that you're getting what you want out of situations. And that's why I say it to me, yes, you do need to be selfish, because you should get what you want out of situations, because it's going to be suiting for you, because others will do that for themselves. So stop putting yourself in situations where you're not looking out for yourself. I would say is to pour into your own cup, because I found myself pouring into other people a lot at times, and at least I feel like I was putting energy into like living into their world, basically, where I was around them and I'm living in their world. And I feel like you have to learn how to create your own world for yourself. Focus on what matters to you and go after the things that matter to you. In the same way you love on other people, you have to learn how to love on yourself. Because I used to feel like I was a person that worried about what other people had going on, especially if I loved them. I want to make sure that I help them see things that they might not have seen. But I realized that you have to be able to do that for yourself and let people learn things on their own. Stop being the person that wants to help other people out or always want to be a supporter. It's okay to support other people, but make sure you're supporting yourself. Make sure you're focusing on you. Make sure you're not going undone. Make sure you're not being drained after you're doing certain things, because I found that the type of energy that I carry, I'm able to pick up on people's feelings easily. Like if somebody talks to me or cries to me about a situation that they're going through, then I can literally feel it in my spirit, and it literally can shift my whole day, and maybe for a while it could actually affect me. And so I learned that you have to be cautious of what you're letting people pour on you, and don't be someone that's just like basically a trash can. Everybody gets to dump on you and you're the one holding all of this. You know what I'm saying? Because that was one of my problems. And so that's tip number 2. Tip number 3, I would say, is to remove. Know when to remove yourself from around people. When you start feeling like you're not being treated right or you're not respected, you need to remove yourself. You need to know what are things that you're not willing to deal with. Have standards, have boundaries with people. Don't allow people to just walk over you, because if you let people walk over you or you let people get away with certain things, they're going to just do it. So that was tip number 3. Tip number 4, I would say, is be kind to yourself. And the reason why I would say be kind to yourself is because situations where I may have felt like I should be doing this or I could be doing better, because I'm always hard on myself. And a lot of you, I'm pretty sure as well, you're hard on yourself about what you want to accomplish and the things that you want to get done. And I feel like you have to learn how to be fair with yourself and give yourself the same grace you would give anyone else. Learn to give yourself the grace to be like, it's okay. It didn't happen for me how I wanted it to happen, but it's all good. It's going to happen. You have to learn how to speak life into yourself. And that kind of ties into tip number 5, where I say don't speak negatively over yourself. When you talk about yourself, make sure you're speaking things positively, because your words are very powerful. The things you say, you can literally see them come to pass. So you don't want to be speaking negative things over yourself, because you're going to find yourself in situations that you're wondering why you're in that situation. You might have talked yourself into that situation and you don't know you talk yourself into it. So learn that words hold power. So if you want that positive environment, positive, like the aspirations you want for yourself, you need to speak those positive things. And that's all the tips I have for y'all. This is my first girl talk. Let me know how I did, y'all. I want to shout out Paige from well, actually Love Your Natural. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. She's one of the people that I love watching her girl talks, and so I wanted to make sure I shout her out because I love her videos and I always watch her, and I know she don't get the credit she deserves all the time, so I wanted to make sure I say that for her. And thank you guys for watching. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.